Welcome to this guided meditation. Find yourself a comfortable seat. Maybe you'd like to lay down. And when you're ready, find a slow, rhythmic breath. You are sitting tall, your spine is long, shoulders rolled back and down. As you exhale, feel yourself letting go of stress, letting go of tensions, limitations. Letting go of anything you've been holding on to, anything holding you back from reaching your absolute highest potential. If you're a visual person, you can visualize this as black smoke leaving your body on every exhalation. As you inhale, you are filling yourself with confidence, strength, and the endless possibilities that lay ahead. If you are visualizing, you might see white light entering your body on each inhale. A soft, pure energy purifying your entire being. As you let go of old, stale energy, limiting beliefs, and past experiences, you make room for fresh, uplifting, transformative energy. You are here. You are safe, you are supported, and you are whole. Feel your body as it sits on the earth, and feel your awareness extend below you like the roots of a tree. You are rooted deep into the earth. You are grounded. You are strong. You are powerful. Feel your awareness extend in the opposite direction. stemming from the crown of your head like a flower growing from the earth. You are connected, you are limitless, you are free. Feel the universe and its life force flowing through your body, connected to everything, past, present, and future. Visualize your highest potential. You without limitations, without the excuses, without fear of judgment. Visualize the most authentic version of yourself. Visualize yourself without a need for money, filling your days with only the things that bring you joy. Finding your awareness back in your breath, you will repeat this mantra to yourself as you visualize, quietly repeating the words, so hum. As you inhale, so. As you exhale, hum. So, hum. When you're ready, you can open your eyes. Familiarize yourself with your surroundings once more. Just realize that you already are everything that you want to be.